This is not just a house dressed for Christmas. It is a carefully orchestrated experience where architecture, light, and emotion converge. Every surface reflects intention, every glow tells a story, and every space transforms the holiday into a refined modern celebration. This home proves that Christmas can be luxurious without excess, festive without noise, and timeless without tradition. Welcome to a contemporary residence where the season is not added, it is designed.
Welcome to Creative Abode, where the art of design meets life. Explore unique architecture, innovative interiors, and inspiring spaces. Transform your home, discover new trends, and indulge in beautiful aesthetics. Let's create spaces that reflect your style, comfort, and creativity. Make yourself at home, and let your imagination wander.
The front facade sets the emotional tone of the home. Clean modern geometry is softened by warm architectural lighting and elegant Christmas accents. Integrated LED lines highlight the structure, while minimalist wreaths and illuminated pines introduce the season with restraint. The contrast between dark concrete, warm wood, and golden light creates a powerful visual identity, welcoming yet commanding. Snow subtly frames the entry, enhancing depth without overwhelming the design. This entrance doesn't announce Christmas loudly, it whispers it with confidence. The living room becomes the heart of the Christmas narrative. A double-height volume filled with warm light embraces a refined tree adorned in gold and deep red, carefully scaled to the architecture. Glass walls reflect the glow, amplifying warmth against the winter night. Modern furniture remains uncluttered, allowing the Christmas elements to feel intentional rather than decorative. The fireplace anchors the space, creating intimacy within openness. This is where celebration meets calm, modern luxury wrapped in seasonal emotion. In the master bedroom, Christmas becomes personal. Soft lighting, neutral textures, and a restrained color palette create a sanctuary of quiet celebration. A small, curated tree and subtle festive textiles add warmth without disturbing serenity. The glow reflects gently against glass and fabric, reinforcing comfort rather than spectacle. This room proves that Christmas luxury is not about abundance, but about atmosphere. It invites rest, reflection, and intimacy within the season's rhythm. The kitchen balances precision and warmth. Sleek surfaces, integrated lighting, and refined materials form a clean backdrop for subtle Christmas styling. Pine garlands, soft golden lights, and red accents introduce festive character without disrupting functionality. The island becomes both a visual anchor and a gathering point, reflecting the glow of the season. Here, Christmas supports connection, designed to enhance movement, conversation, and shared moments. The mezzanine connects celebration vertically. Overlooking the living room, glass railings are accented with delicate Christmas garlands, allowing light to travel freely through the space. This level reinforces architectural continuity while adding seasonal softness. The Christmas elements feel suspended, floating within the home structure rather than resting on it. It is a moment of transition, where design, light, and movement align seamlessly. The bathroom redefines festive luxury through restraint. Stone textures, soft steam, and warm reflections create a spa-like atmosphere enhanced by subtle Christmas greenery and candlelight. There is no excess, only balance. The holiday presence feels restorative, not decorative. This space demonstrates how Christmas can exist even in moments of solitude, offering calm amid the season's intensity. The front yard extends the home's Christmas identity outward. Pathway lights guide movement while illuminated trees frame the architecture with elegance. Snow becomes a design element, reflecting light and enhancing contrast. The landscape feels curated, not festive for spectacle, but festive for coherence. This approach transforms arrival into experience, long before the door is opened. The rooftop introduces Christmas above the city. Firelight, soft textiles, and suspended string lights create a warm refuge against the winter sky. Minimal decor ensures the view remains dominant, while seasonal elements enhance intimacy. This space is not about display, it is about atmosphere. A modern retreat where Christmas feels elevated, literally and emotionally. The working room integrates Christmas without distraction. Clean lines, focused lighting, and subtle festive accents maintain productivity while acknowledging the season. A small tree, warm desk light, and restrained color touches create balance between discipline and comfort. This room proves that Christmas design can support focus rather than interrupt it. The backyard transforms into an intimate winter lounge. Fire features, soft lighting, and an outdoor Christmas tree extend warmth into the cold night. The connection to the interior remains fluid, reinforcing architectural continuity. This space encourages gathering without formality, celebration without excess. This home does not decorate for Christmas, it interprets it. Through precision, restraint, and architectural intelligence, the season becomes an extension of design rather than an overlay. Every space contributes to one unified experience, proving that modern luxury and festive warmth are not opposites, but partners. This is Christmas, refined.